Have you ever felt exhausted all day long, and then when it's time to go to sleep, you can't fall asleep? Well, believe me, you're not alone. I'm a certified spiritual life coach, and I've helped hundreds of people to be able to turn off their mind, relax their nervous system so they can get a good night's rest. And in this video, I'm going to explain to you why, if you're having trouble sleeping, why it's happening. During the day, you are very active. You're thinking, there's a lot of movement going on, and there's a lot of structure to your life. And especially if you're a very busy person, when you go to sleep at night, it's probably the only quiet, peaceful time you have, but your mind is still working. Your nervous system is still on overload, and you find it hard to relax. During the day, since you are active, your mind's job is to protect you. So it scans and it helps you to plan and it helps you to schedule so that you can stay one step ahead of anything that it perceives as being dangerous to you. But when you go to sleep, then, and you can't turn your mind off and you can't turn your nervous system off, your nervous system doesn't like to be controlled. So you might think of things like, it's 1 o'clock, I have to get up at 5. Or I have to get up, I have to take a flight tomorrow, I have to get up at 3. Your nervous system doesn't like that. Your mind doesn't like to be controlled. It just likes to be calm. It likes to feel safe. It likes peace and quiet. And this type of a situation often happens to people who are very thoughtful, very successful, and responsible. It often happens to people who are caretakers because they're always thinking of somebody else's benefit, what's going on with someone else, rather than their own nervous system. And when you sleep at night, that is the time for you to rejuvenate your mind and rejuvenate your body and your nervous system. So if you're not getting the sleep that you need, then you're going to wake up tired. And if this just keeps going on and on and on, it's going to become a chronic problem, and it could lead to illness. So if this resonates with you, I think you'll like my Calm in the Moment kit. It's absolutely free, and it has a couple of gentle resets that you can use at the beginning of your day and all throughout your day so that you can have a successful day, and then you can use it at night so that you can get a peaceful sleep and get that rejuvenation that you need. If you'd like that, then the link is just below the video here. Just click on and you'll get immediate access to that. And if you have been having trouble sleeping, would you write down in the comments what it is that's keeping you awake at night? Whether it's just a repetitive thought, something that is going on, or maybe there's a current situation in your life that your mind's just going on and on and on about, or maybe you have some pain, or maybe you just can't relax. The next video I create is going to let you know what you can do in order to finally get a good night's rest. So if you let me know what it is that's keeping you up, then I can add that into the video so that can be covered for you. And if you'd like access to the kit, just click below and you'll get free access, immediate access to that. And if you'd like to take this a little bit further, I've created another video, Why You're Always Tired, and you can access that right here.